Hello children, today I am going to start a new series of SCT questions where I will solve one question in one video and explain every concept used in that question. So let's start. Our first question is, it's from algebra. If f of x is equal to x plus 7, f of x is a function where x is the input and f of x is the output, and g of x is equal to 7x. That means here we have two functions. One is fx, which is f of x, which is x plus 7, and second is gx, which is 7x. What is the value of 4 of f of 2 minus g of 2? Now here, as you can see, x is replaced with 2. So that means we have to just plug in every x as 2. So this is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. And here also we have g of 2. So let's plug g of 2 is equal to 7 times 2, which is equal to 14. Now if I see my question, in my question it is 4 of f of 2. So that means you have to multiply this with 4. But if you are multiplying, you have to multiply on both sides, right? So whatever operation we are doing on the left hand side, that has to be done on the right hand side too. So 4 of f of 2 is equal to 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Now let's see the question. It's 4 of f of 2 minus g of 2, right? So 4 of f of 2 we have calculated here. This is 36 minus g of 2 is 14. So value of this expression is 36 minus 14 is 22, right? Now suppose you want to solve it in one step, right? You do not want to solve it separately and you want to solve it in one step according to your style. So how will we do that? We will just write whatever is our question here, and we know this is f of x where x is to be replaced with 2. So we will do it here directly because 4 is multiplied with only f of x, not with g of 2. So we will put it in parenthesis because it is multiplied with only f of 2, and then replace x with 2. 2 plus 7 minus g of 2, that means you have to replace 2 like this. So that is 4 plus 2, 9 minus 7 2s are 14. So 36 minus 14 is equal to 22. So you can check your style. You want to do it step by step, then calculate this two values separately and plug them into the question. Or if you are quite comfortable with the values, you can just do it directly, right? I hope that question is clear. Okay, now let's move to question